Welcome! Today we'll look at how to create and use a QR code to get new customers signed up and ready to make payments in person. QR codes make it easy to invite customers and take in-person payments in seconds. Let's look at how to use QR codes and what your customers will see. You can use QR codes to invite new customers in person, to register and set up a mandate to authorize you to collect payments from them. To generate your QR code, go to the homepage, click on Customers, and choose Invite Customers. Here you can customize and then download your QR code. Save this to a device or print it out for your new customers to scan. Your customers will be shown a form to enter their details and set up a direct debit, also known as ACH debit mandate. Now, let's look at how you can use QR codes to add a customer to a new subscription template. One great example is adding customers to a gym membership. From the homepage, click on Payments and choose Subscription Templates, select Create Template, and then Create New Subscription. Complete the details of your new template. When you're happy, click Create Subscription. Under the Share tab, you'll see the option to download your QR code to print or display digitally. Once your new customer scans the QR code, they'll be taken to a web page to set up their ACH debit for the template. When they complete the form, they'll see a confirmation screen and an email confirming their subscription. You'll start receiving payments in line with the schedule as soon as the mandate is authorized. Thanks for watching.